Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to make notes on Instagram. So let's start the video, but before starting this video there is a polite reminder. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. Tap on Instagram application. Make sure that you have logged in to your Instagram account. You need to simply tap on DM message icon. So here you will see at the top leave a note option. Tap on this one. Tap on leave a new note. To make a note for your Instagram, you simply type anything, just like I will type how are you my friend. Then you will select this type note and press on share option at the right top. Then you will see that I have successfully make a note on Instagram profile. By using this easy method, you can successfully make a note on your Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.